Well, that's the type. Come on up. Feels like a yellow, but you never know. Could be a bonito. Nice, going out into deeper water, that's a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing, that's a good thing. I'm chasing them out. Wow.
As I know, the wind unpredictably is coming out of the southeast, so I think I'm going to get a little closer to the middle of the pack here so that nobody has to paddle too far for lunch. So you guys that are right here off my stern, I'm going to get back above you just a little bit.
Get away from these rocks.
Keep her running for a pickup.
He's a bigger yellowtail, that's for sure. Uh, 25-pound test, fluorocarbon with 65-pound braid, Spectra. A 700 medium Calstar. He's not that big. I just don't want to lose him. Motherfucker. Sorry about the language. Yeah. That's nice. That's a nice yellowtail. Woo! Nice. That was a lot of fun, man. Okay. Whew. Long ways for a fish pickup. Zodiac's broken down. And I'm not sure if the sun's gonna stay out or what, but I need to get this fish in.